Last year, I went on a deep dive and studied 287 faceless channels, and what I discovered will completely change how you see faceless content. Now, while many creators are fighting over popular niches like motivation, true crime, and trend-based content that used to work, others are quietly operating in the background, crushing it in new spaces that most people are not paying attention to. The interesting part is most of these channels are not doing anything complex or using advanced tools. It's something that anyone can do, whether you're a complete beginner or someone hearing about AI for the first time. In this video, I'll break down top performing low competition niches people often overlook. I'm going to show you how to create similar videos, walk you through the tools you need, and explain whether you can actually monetize content in those niches. My name is Charles. Let's go. Now, before I start, it is important that you watch this video until the end so you know exactly what to do to get monetized and stay on the safe side of YouTube. So don't just watch half of the video and think you know everything and then end up getting half knowledge. Now, the first niche works really well because it has to do with posting animal rescue videos. These rescue videos are AI generated, not real life events. They can even feature mystical or fictional animals. For example, this channel has been posting animal rescue videos and is pulling in millions of views. So how are they doing it? They generate AI videos, then add commentary, narration, and sometimes a ranking style format. They don't just generate a video and upload it as is. There's a structure and storytelling behind it. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, subscribe because I have a lot of helpful videos here. So subscribe, like, and comment. Now, if you just upload raw AI videos, there's a high chance you won't get monetized. That's the mistake people make. They just post AI videos as is. No voice, no sound effects, no edits, and YouTube end up flagging the content that's reused, and that's how channels get demonetized. So you have to do it the right way. Just like I mentioned previously, the big advantage of this particular method is that you don't have to worry about copyright strikes because no one owns AI generated footage. But the key part remains the same. Your narration must add value. You can't just describe what's happening on the screen. You need to explain why it is interesting. You need to add context or tell a story around it. Channels that do this properly are pulling in millions of views and staying monetized. To create videos like this, you need to create the story and narration based on your concept, then use Keoo AI to generate the videos since it houses many of the top AI video models in one place. Now, this doesn't have to be hard for you. Don't struggle to start a faceless channel. I can help you become better on a live call. In my school community, Branions AI Creative Network, I show you step by step. I go deep into showing you how to start and grow your faceless channel, how to create cinematic videos, animated videos, AI ads and creatives, and niche-based videos using different AI tools. Inside this community, I'll guide you through hands-on projects to help you build the skills that can turn you to an AI expert. If you also want to start a creative agency, you'll learn how to get started and how to find clients. In fact, in this community, if there's something around the AI space that you want to learn and I haven't covered that topic, you can make a request for it and I'll go deep in teaching on that topic. I'll leave the link for you to join Branions AI Creative Network in the description of this video. I'll see you inside. This next niche is different, and years from now, it will still be relevant and still be pulling off millions of views. It combines storytelling, education, and entertainment. This niche is evergreen because it focuses on events that have happened in the past. The niche is world history, sharing historical events and untold stories that most people have never heard before. Now, here's the mistake most people make. They cover stories that are popular with lots of content around it. This in turn hides their video and they don't get as much visibility as they should. Here's where people miss out and where the real opportunity is. Instead of just covering popular stories, focus on unique angles, lesser known details, or parts of the story people rarely talk about. Channels like Epic History, Real Time History, and more are creating content in this space and are getting millions of views using this exact approach. The best part is creating this type of content is simple. You can use ChatGPT or Notebook LM to research and expand your ideas, but always fact check using reliable sources because AI is not perfect and can sometimes hallucinate or make mistakes. You will also need old images or videos which you can find online, or you can just generate images and videos using Keoo AI. Since this niche can be sensitive, it is important that you clearly inform viewers that the content is AI generated. And finally, you need a voiceover which you can also generate using Keoo AI. This next niche is one of the best opportunities right now because there are a few creators doing it. The niche is strange animal facts, specifically deep sea content. Channels like Mr. Science are pulling in millions of views, and with just 8 videos, they have already crossed over 100,000 subscribers. Now, most animal fact channels focus on surface level content, like content about animals, lions, goats, horses, and stuff like that. But with this type of deep sea content, the opportunity is still wide open. So, why do people love this type of content? Because it is educational, entertaining, and most importantly, mysterious. The deep sea is largely unexplored, which naturally keeps viewers curious and hooked. To create this type of content, you can use ChatGPT for research, Keoo AI for voiceover, and AI generated visuals, and then for stock footage, you can get it from Pixel. This next niche takes everyday behavior and breaks it down into psychological explanations. This niche is everyday psychology. Channels like Dark Psychology Coded are pulling in millions of views in this space. This type of content is evergreen because human behavior follows recurring patterns over time and people naturally want to understand themselves better. Other channels like Simple Mind Map and No Sense always break down psychological traits in an educational, entertaining, and visually engaging way. This type of content works well because viewers are constantly learning something new about themselves. To create this type of content, you can use ChatGPT for research and Keoo AI for AI generated videos, animations, and voiceover narration. This next niche is book summaries. People in this niche take advantage of storytelling to create engaging videos, which is more than just book reviews. Channels like Little Bit Better and Antidote are crushing it with millions of views. And all they do is just to take a core idea from a book, add narration, and pair it with engaging visuals to keep viewers watching. So why is this niche powerful? The audience is deeply interested in self-improvement and personal growth. But here's where the opportunity is for you. Now, most of them don't want to spend days or weeks finishing a book. They prefer a clear breakdown where they can learn from quickly. To create similar videos, you only need 3 things. First, start with a strong idea, then use ChatGPT or Notebook LM to research and expand the idea. After that, use Recraft for visual design and Keoo AI for voice narration. This next niche turns complex ideas into simple actionable steps using paintings and drawings. This niche is visual explainers. Whether it's fitness, productivity, or economics, these channels use simple visuals to break down complex topics in a fun and educational way that leaves viewers wanting to watch more. Channels like Simple Actually, Monkey Mind 101, Apathetic, and others use this approach effectively. They combine storytelling, narration, and hand-drawn visuals to make learning visually engaging and easy to follow. Why does this type of content work so well? Because the brain is naturally drawn to simplicity. The visuals are easy to comprehend, they are clear and enjoyable to watch, which helps viewers stay engaged and retain information. To create this type of content, start with a solid idea and break it down using ChatGPT. You can create the drawings in Canva and generate your narration using Keoo AI. Now, here's where most people fail. When creating content in these niches, they don't do proper research. They copy other creators without carving out their own unique space. You can have a model channel for inspiration, but don't copy blindly. Build your own identity. Another issue is consistency. Many creators don't want to put in the work. They just post content for 1 month, then disappear using excuses like, oh, YouTube doesn't want me. Oh, YouTube doesn't like my content. Blah, blah, blah. Stuff like that. Just like any real business, your channel needs time to grow. Most creators don't even add tags to their YouTube videos. They just upload it and leave their content to chance. Smart creators use tools like Keoo AI to find trending keywords around their idea and use it before posting a video. If you want your Faceless channel to get monetized, you must add value. All the channels I mentioned in this video are monetized. So you must add value in your content. Your AI content should clearly show that effort went into creating the content. It shouldn't look like it was generated and uploaded by a bot. That means you have to edit your videos or get someone to edit it for you. Smart creators combine strong ideas with good narration, storytelling, and engaging visuals. The link to Keoo AI is in the description of this video. And if you want to learn directly from me how to start and grow your Faceless channel, I've left the link to join my school community in the description of this video. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to this channel because there are a lot of helpful videos here that will help you. So subscribe, like, and share this video. I'll see you in this video here. Watch this next.